Thank you.
Okay.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My topic today is water pollution. Um, First of all, I'm glad to sharing this research with you guys on this subject. So, water pollution. I'm sorry. Water is one of the most important resources, that people are used every day, and it is covered 71% on Earth's surface. So if the water gets polluted, it will lose its own values and to Earth economically, and it could become a threat to our health and to all the animals and all the wildlife that depend in the water. So the second step. So what is the water pollution? I'm sure you guys already knows what is the water pollution, but I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit more specific about that. So water pollution is an undesirable change in a state of water, and contaminated, harming force with substance. Substance, and it is the most important environmental issues that's next to the air pollution. It's next to the air pollution, and it's also kind of affects to our water supplies as like rivers, lake, oceans, and underground waters also. The second one is, how does the water get polluted? Well, water is more, it has more precious than the gold, but it's really easy to get polluted. So a lot of our water supply is being polluted with toxics, chemicals, or the poisons that are being dumped and drained into our water system. Some of these chemicals are common on household items as like chlorine bleach, paint thinners, and it's the one thing that very poisonous is the mercuries that come out of the broken thermometers. So, and other toxic chemicals are designed to kill the insects, and it's like petroleums as like gasoline, oils, and tons of these chemicals are dumped and washed into our waters every day. This water pollution has not damaged the animals, birds, and the fish that depend on it, but it's also harmful to our fresh water supplies and make other people get sick also. And the next one, how is the water, the authors of the water pollution? So although some kinds of the water pollution can occur through all the natural processes, it is mostly a result of the human activity. So we all use water every day, right? And also the factories need waters to operate it and stuff like that. So all the water that we use is taken from the lakes, rivers and ocean and stuff like that. And after we use and contaminate it, it's also returned to this location. So the use of waters of the community is called wastewaters or sewage. So if it is not treated before being discharged into the waterways, the serious problem is the result. So I think it's take quite a bit of time for people to understand about this problem, but well, it's good for us to know about it also. And water pollution is also occurs when all the rain water is run out of the urbans and these industrial areas and from the farming lands and mining operations. It makes its way back into the receiving location again. So, and how does the water be so dangerous to us. So all types of the water pollution is really harmful to, our health, humans and animals. So the main problems caused by water pollution, it is kill all the life that inhabits in the water, like make the fish dead and all the birds and dolphins, they all can be dead too. And others, many animals that depend on the water. So, also our human, it can affect by all of this process too. As like, it's like when we eat all the seafood that already has been poisoned, and then we can get disease and we can get sick. And however, it's also it's also may hurt to our these productively natural resources, as like mangroves, lagoons, and corals, under the water. But luckily, we can clean up the water pollution. It's the best way to stop the water pollution is to keep pollutant from being getting into the water. So there is something that we can do is just to use the filter. It's like use in the village, or just simply like use like this, for your house, or just put it any place that water pollution is a problem. Also, there is something else that we can do that's very simple is by our daily life, living. We can conserve the water. How we can conserve the water? It's just by turning off the tap, running water if the water is not necessary. This helps prevent water's shortage and reduce the amounts of the contaminated waters that needs to be treated. And the second one, be careful with what you throw down in your sink and the toilet. Do not throw any pans, oils, or any other forms of the litters down to the drains. And the third one, just take great care not to overuse pesticides and stuff like that. It will help, to prevent the run out of the material into our nearby water resources. And the fourth ones, by use the environmentally household products as like washing powders, household cleaning, and the toiletries. And the fifth one, and the last one, by having more plants in your backyard, just like any vegetables, flower, any green tree, it just plant more tree, something like that. And this will help you, to clean our environments and stuff like that. Last of all is conclusion. So, as everyone knows, water is really important. We all need water, and we all need clean water, right? So, like just for everyday life, we need water to wash, to cook, and stuff like that. And all the farm, they need water to throw the crops, and all the factories, they need the water to do the operation and stuff like that. So just try the best you can to keep the water clean and protect the water. Our water is our life. So that's all I have. Thank you.